So now let's see how we can work around with the Gaussian blur effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with the Gaussian blur effect, first of all, you need to go ahead and then import out the image that you want to apply the Gaussian blur to. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and bring in this particular image right here. So once I go ahead and do that, in order to apply the Gaussian blur effect to this, first of all, I need to go around onto the effects menu and then go around over here onto blur. And over here, you can see that Gaussian blur is an option right here. So once you go around onto Gaussian blur, you can go around and change down the radius of the Gaussian blur, as you can see right here, just like this as well. And you can increase and decrease out the level of blur that you have right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and apply out the Gaussian blur effect as you want inside of Corel Draw right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.